We say free Larry Hoover.
Rivers, these bodies of water like the Mississippi
Rashad,
River.
break it down for y'all.
Very powerful point. You see what I'm saying? And then you got people that's like divinely connected to ancient Mississippi.
Free Larry Hoover, man.
Like a Larry Hoover. This is why Larry Hoover connects to that. You know what I'm saying? Larry Hoover connects to that because, like I said, he's a direct descendant of one of the kings of the Mississippian tribe. This is why they locked him up and they framed him for the murder and the drugs. And then they took his organization and his vision and they turned that shit to a game. So if you don't know nothing about Larry Hoover's vision or who he really is and what he stood for, you would have no clue about his connection because you would just think he's some gang leader because that's the way he's painted. You see what I'm saying? That's the way he's painted. You feel me? That's the way he's painted. You know what I'm saying? And that's why, like, he was locked up, but